John Lewis is a British chain of department stores which developed from an Oxford Street draper's shop founded by Mr. Lewis himself in 1864. As a child, I used to find visits to these stores unexciting. They seemed to sell lots of clothing and curtains and things. Now, however, they've sorted themselves out. They even stock indoor RC helicopters. This John Lewis branded heli has good detail, including a gas turbine and even a dummy tail rotor motor housing, as well as the usual, perhaps over-generous, LED installations. The rotor blades are hinged to help avoid damage from collisions with walls and chair legs and people. The little model flies well too.